Good evening, my dear children. I am Savitri here to discuss about reduced syllabus class 12 physics volume 2 2021-22. It's for the benefit of all the 12th standard children so that you can easily read what are the portions are included for the public examination and what are the portions are deleted for the sake of 12th standard students due to pandemic. Yes. So, I am here to discuss volume 2 now. Have all of you second volume book with pencil, revised edition, okay, 2019-20. Revised edition book you have. Yes. Unit 6, 6.1, introduction, page number 1. 6.1.1, ray optics, page 1. 6.1.2, reflection, page 1. 6.1.3, angle of deviation due to reflection, page 2. 6.1.4, image formation in plane mirror, page 3. 6.1.5, characteristics of image formed by plane mirror, page 4. 6.2, spherical mirrors, page 5. Yes. 6.2.1, paraxial rays and marginal rays, page 6. 6.2.2, relation between F and R, page 6. 6.2.5, the mirror equation, page 8. 6.2.6, lateral magnification in spherical mirrors, page number 9. 6.3, speed of light, page number 11. 6.3.1, Fiju's method to determine speed of light, page number 11. 6.3.3, refractive index, page 12. 6.3.4, optical path, page 13. 6.4, refraction, page number 14. 6.4.1, angle of deviation due to refraction, page 15. 6.4.3, principle of reversibility, page 16. 6.4.4, relative refractive index, page 16. 6.4.5, apparent depth, page 17. 6.4.6, critical angle and total internal reflection, page number 19. Yes. 6.4.8, refraction in glass slab, page number 26. 6.5, refraction at single spherical surface, page number 27. 6.5.1, equation for refraction at single spherical surface, page number 27. 6.6 thin lens, page 29. 6.6.3 lens maker's formula and lens equation, page 30. 6.6.4 lateral magnification in thin lens, page number 31. 6.6.6 focal length of lenses in contact, page number 34. Then 6.6.7 silvered lenses, page 36. இது மறைஞ்சிருக்கு இதுல. ஓ இது ப்ராப்ளம். 6.7 prism, page 38. 6.7.1 angle of deviation produced by prism, page 38. 6.7.2 angle of minimum deviation, page 38. 6.7.3 refractive index of material of the prism, page 40. 6.7.4 dispersion of white light through prism, page 41. 6.7.5 dispersive power, page 42. 6.7.6 scattering of sunlight, page 44. Next, chapter 6 over. We are going to discuss chapter 7, that is unit 7, wave optics. 7.1 theories of light, page 53. 7.1.1 corpuscular theory, page 53. 7.1.2 wave theory, page 54. 7.1.3 electromagnetic wave theory, page 54. 7.1.4 quantum theory, page 54. 7.2 wave nature of light, page 54. 7.2.1 wave optics, page 54. Next we have 7.2.2 Huygens principle, page 55. 7.2.3 proof for laws of reflection using Huygens principle, page number 56. 7.2.4 proof for laws of refraction using Huygens principle, page 56. 7.3 interference, page 58. 7.3.1 phase difference and path difference, page 60. 7.3.2 coherent sources, page 61. 7.3.3 double slit as coherent sources, page 62. Next, 7.3.4, Young's double slit experiment, page 63. 7.3.5, interference in white light, polychromatic light, page 66. 7.3.6, interference in thin films, page 67. 7.4, diffraction, page 69. 7.4.2, diffraction in single slit, page 70. 7.4.4, Fresnel's distance, page 73. 7.4.5, difference between interference and diffraction, page 74. Wave optics continues. 7.4.9, resolution, page number 77. 7.5.3.1, polarizer and analyzer, page 81. 7.5.3.2, plane and partially polarized light, page 81. 7.5.3.3, Malus law, page number 81. 7.5.3.4, uses of polaroids, page 84. 7.5.4, polarization by reflection, page 84. 7.5.4.1, Brewster's law, page 84. Yes. 7.5.4.2, pile of plates, page number 85. 7.6, optical instruments, page 87. 7.6.1, simple microscope, page number 87. 7.6.1.1, near point focusing, page number 87. 7.6.1.2, normal focusing, page number 88. 7.6.1.3, resolving power of microscope, page number 89. 7.6.1.4, resolving power of telescope, page number 90. Yes. Then 7.6.2, compound microscope, page number 90. 7.6.2.1, magnification in compound microscope, page number 90. 7.6.3, astronomical telescope, page number 91. 7.6.3.1, magnification in astronomical telescope, page number 92. 7.6.5, reflecting telescope, page 92. 7.6.6.3, astigmatism, page 97. So this chapter gets over. Then we have unit 8, dual nature of radiation and matter. 8.1, introduction, page 108. 8.1.1, electron emission, page 109. 8.2, photoelectric effect, page 111. 8.2.1, Hertz, Hallmarks and Lenard's observation, page number 111. 8.2.2, effect of intensity of incident light on photoelectric current, page number 113. 8.2.3, effect of potential difference on photoelectric current, page number 114. Then 8.2.4, effect of frequency of incident light on stopping potential, page number 115. 8.2.5, laws of photoelectric effect, page number 116. 8.2.6, concept of quantization of energy, page number 116. 8.2.7, particle nature of light, Einstein's explanation, page number 118. 8.2.8, photoelectric cells and their applications, page number 121. 8.3, matter waves, page number 124. 8.3.1, introduction, wave nature of particle, page 124. 8.3.2, de Broglie wavelength, page number 124. 8.3.3, de Broglie wavelength of electrons, page number 124. 8.3.4, Davison and Germer experiment, page number 125. 8.3.5, electron microscope, page number 126. 8.4, X-rays, page number 128. Yes, chapter 8 over. Now chapter 9, atomic and nuclear physics. What are the portions included in this chapter? Please take down. 9.1, introduction, page number 141. 9.2, electric discharge through gases, properties of cathode rays, page number 142. 9.2.1, determination of specific charge, that is E by M of electron, Thomson's experiment, Page number 143. 9.2.2 determination of charge of electron, Millikan's oil drop experiment. Page number 145. 9.3.2 Rutherford's model. Page 148. 9.3.3 Bohr atom model. Page 151. 9.3.4 atomic spectra. Page number 160. 9.4.3 atomic and nuclear masses. Page 164. Next, 9.4.4 size and density of the nucleus. Page number 165. 9.4.5 mass defect and binding energy. Page number 166. 9.4.6 binding energy curve. Page 167. 9.5 nuclear force. Page 168. Then 9.6.1 alpha decay. Page 169. Another topic 9.6.2 beta decay. Page 171. 9.6.3 gamma emission. Page 173. 9.6.4 loss of radioactivity. Page 173. Next 9.6.5 half life and mean life. Page 175. Next 9.6.6 carbon dating. Page 177. Then 9.7 nuclear fission. Page 179. 9.8 nuclear fusion. Page 184. Yes, chapter 9 over. Next chapter 10 we have. Chapter 10 electronics and communication system. இதில் எதெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம். 10.1 introduction இருக்கு. Page number என்னது 195. 10.1.1 energy band diagram of solids. Page 197. Next 10.1.2 classification of materials. Page 198. அடுத்தது 10.2 types of semiconductors. Page 198. 10.2.1 intrinsic semiconductors. Page another 198. 10.2.2 extrinsic semiconductors. Page நமக்கு 200. Next 10.3 diodes. Page number 202. 10.3.1 PN junction formation. Page 202. 10.3.2 PN junction diode. Page 203. 10.3.4 rectification. page 207, 10.3.5, breakdown mechanism, page 209. Yes. Next, 10.3.6, Zener diode, page number 210. 10.4, bipolar junction transistor, page 215. Next, 10.4.1, transistor circuit configuration, page number 216. Next, 10.4.2, transistor action in common base mode, 217. 10.4.3, relation between alpha and beta, page 221. 10.4.4, operating point, 222 page. Next topic, 10.4.5, transistor as a switch, page 222. 10.5, digital electronics, page 226. 10.5.1, analog and digital signal, page 227. Next is included namakku 10.6, Boolean algebra, 230 page. 10.7, De Morgan's theorem, page 231. 10.7.1, De Morgan's first theorem, page number 231. Then 10.7.2, De Morgan's second theorem undu, page number 232. Next, 10.7.3, integrated chips, page 232. Then 10.8, communication systems, page 233. Then 10.9, modulation, page 233. Then 10.9.1, amplitude modulation, AM, page number 234. Then 10.9.2 and 10.9.3. 10.9.2 and 10.9.3, frequency modulation undu, phase modulation undu. Frequency modulation and phase modulation, page number 235. Yes. So we have come to the last chapter, recent development in physics. So what are the portions included in this topic? அப்படிங்கறத பார்க்கலாம். 11.1, introduction, page number என்னது 254. 11.2, nanoscience and nanotechnology, page number 255. 11.2.1, nanoscience, page number 255. 11.2.2, interdisciplinary nature of nanotechnology, page 255. 11.2.3, nano in nature, page 256. Then 11.3, robotics, page 263. 11.3.1, what is robotics, page 263. 11.3.2, components of robotics, page 264. 11.3.3 Types of Robotics, page 264. Yes, hope you all noted down all the portions which has been included for the public examination 2021-22. Yes, let us meet in the next video with a different topic. Thank you children for watching. If you like this video, please view, share, subscribe. Yes, thank you very much.